In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by going into Devices settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Now choose Connection Preferences, click on Printing and Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher at the top. Then go back, click on Add Service and download the best one for you. I will go with HP one. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice and click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!